everyone, welcome to part 5 of my Boujie yarn. I've got 3 companies here for you today, one from the UK, one from Canada and one from the US. Now Botanical Yarn is based here in York in the UK, and I've got a couple of sock yarn kits. And I've got this beautiful colour, which is the lavender and moonstone, which is for the sock club. Twin set pearls. I've got the pattern that I need to make the socks with, and I treated myself. Now you know, guys, I love my purples. And then I've got this beautiful yarn with this to make a sweater, doing colour work. I haven't got around to it yet. I bought that last year. Now we all know the grocery girls, well I'm sure we all do know the grocery girls, Jodie and Tracy. And Josie, Jodie, as we all know, is Frankie Gray Fibres, and I treated myself to some of her yarn. So I've got this beautiful kid mohair and silk to work together with this beautiful yarn, lilac ice. I'm not decided on what I'm going to make with that yet, but I think it'll be make a beautiful hat and cowl set, I'm thinking. And of course I've got more yarn, and which is a DK weight, a fingering weight, and that. So yeah, the beautiful yarn. I do hope to be able to get some more yarn from Frankie Gray Fibres, and this one is called Staycation. Now last but not least is yarn from Shandy over at Expression Fibre Arts, and as you can see, I am quite enamoured with Shandy's yarn. Absolutely beautiful. I've got a combination sock. Have I got quite a robin's? That's robin's egg, so that's the resilient sock. Sincere sock, and I've got quite a lot. This is beautiful. This is called Mouse King, and this is superwash merino with mulberry silk. Guys, it feels absolutely gorgeous. So I've got quite a lot of sock yarn, and as you know, that's my favorite yarn. Look at that, Choppy Waters, which is the mulberry silk as well. Not sure, I think these need to be something really special with having silk in them. Again, sock yarn, and beautiful. This is lovely as well. This is really nice yarn. This is, where's the lid? This is viscose bamboo, merino, lyocell, and I'm going to make something really nice with this, the luminous. It's absolutely gorgeous. It feels so soft and squishy, and who doesn't like to squish their yarns? So for guys, a little 3 companies, but absolutely delicious, scrumptious, squishable yarn from Botanical Yarns, Frankie Gray Fibres, and of course Shandy at Expression Fibre Arts. So this is part 5 of my Boujie yarn. I will put the links below to the companies. Please check them out, and if you've got any suggestions for what I can use this yarn on to make pattern ideas, that would be brilliant. Thank you so much for watching. One more video to make of my Boujie yarn. I hope you've enjoyed this series, and I hope you come back for the last one. Take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.